Welcome back. This course builds on the basics course. We created this new course for people who work closely with legal information, legal documents, legal fine print, in a wide variety of legal organizations and professional roles. You could be an attorney, a legal educator, corporate lawyer, law student, a policy analyst or advocate, a paralegal, a publisher of legal books and magazines, an estate planner, a compliance manager, or contract manager. Maybe you work with the general public in a self-help setting. Maybe your clients are decision makers in public service, or maybe you work directly for the executive team in your company. Or you have a wide range of clients in private practice, from individuals to small and medium-sized business owners. No matter your specific role, your legal field of expertise, and the literacy level of your clients, all legal professionals produce detailed work that is received with very limited attention. People just don't want to read it. Sometimes because they cannot read it. Sometimes because they don't have time. Sometimes because it just looks wildly foreign and unappealing to them. So in addition to producing brilliant legal information, you have to make it presentable, usable, engaging for your clients, your users. If this rings true to you and you're willing to experiment with other ways to deliver your work, then this course is for you. You don't need to be good at drawing or have a previous life as an artist or a designer. An open mind to learn a new skill set is all it takes. Are you ready to move beyond text only, or do you feel concerned it may ruin the legal project? A change of format can certainly shake things up. In the world of literature, comics were the outcast. Critic of comic books, Frederick Wortham, labeled them as invitation to illiteracy in his 1954 publication Seduction of the Innocent. In a similar vein, lawyers in the Netherlands have called plain language and visual information Jip en Janneke taal, which liberally translates as Jack and Jill language. Most other professionals have an opposite response. So you don't use diagrams and visuals in law? Why not? However, a lot has changed since the age of smartphones. Since then it has become a mainstream concept that we interface with information through a simple visual dashboard. Detailed information, flat text, all good, but we expect to find an entrance that hides the fine print behind icons, hyperlinks, boxes and circles to click on. The legal profession is catching up. The bottom of my website looks like this. See the big picture, read the fine print. If you click, you will see this. An overview of the topics included in the privacy policy, grouped around the 5 fingers of one hand. Yes, you're right, like a nursery rhyme, or worse, an invitation to illiteracy. But my goal is for people to get both. I want them to be engaged with this legal information. I try to capture their attention. I care to at least give them the highlights in plain language. My hope is that they read the actual text of the legal policy that they agree to simply by visiting my website, for reasons of transparency, accuracy, and integrity. So rather than illiteracy, the goal is inclusivity. Accessible legal information for people with lower reading comprehension levels and for people with post-academic language proficiency but compromised attention. We all have cognitive overload for a variety of reasons. We all could use more thought-out legal information, even when you're an insider in this field. How often do you read the complete terms and conditions before you buy something online? Today, while preparing this course, I received this update from WhatsApp on my phone. A short overview of their terms. I actually now read and understood for the first time how this messaging app works. We can't read or listen to your personal conversations. It's encrypted. Even better, this will never change. Wow, super important to know, comforting and clear. A small icon enhances the message. A lock on a speech bubble. Clever. If I want to read more, I can click to the next layer. Click here to watch a short interview with Linda Alvarez, author of Discovering Agreement, and myself at the Clarity Conference in 2016.